Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you that how you can make thumbnail from YouTube for YouTube videos from Android phone or cell phone, and this is very easy and simple way. So this is the app you can download from Play Store. At name is Thumbnail Maker. So here are the app, and you can see already saved, ready made, and my edits, that those which I have already sent. And you can see I just tap on the ready mades and close the ad, and here are some ready made thumbnails available. We can select these thumbnails and edit them as per our requirement. So free thumbnails are available from all parts of life, all sorts of life: fitness, gym, fashion, business. So I select this thumbnail, just close the ad, and here is my thumbnail, and now I can edit this thumbnail as per my video title. I will edit the text here. You can drag the text anywhere on this thumbnail screen. Now I am editing the second line, YouTube channel setting. So you can select the colors of the font. You can select the font here. You can change the colors. You can underline, outerline. You can change the background. Almost everything you can do. I just changed the background color. Sorry, I just changed the font of this, and you can see here. Now I will select the outer line. Now I am selecting the same font for the channel text. So in this way you can select all the parameters which you want, which you looks better, which you look fascinated. You can write by yourself. You can do this work from your laptop or a computer, but and that may be, I think, very time-taking job, and from mobile it's free and very easy and very dashing. Now I am just setting the last line, that is the settings, YouTube channel setting. After all this setting, I will share it from the top left button, and you can also see on the screen you have the you can drag down any picture to the top, and at the top you have the undo button also. So I am sharing it. Again, close the ad and just share where you want. Now this will be saved in my save tabs, and you can share from there to the required destination. I hope you will like this and subscribe my channel also. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.